Not all plumbing jobs are residential. Many properties need commercial plumbing services. Office buildings and multi-tenant spaces rely on complex systems built for high demand. Restaurants and food establishments need grease traps and heavy-duty drain systems. Hotels, hospitals, and schools require reliable, large-scale plumbing for many users. Industrial and government buildings often have specialized pipelines and strict codes. If your property serves the public or operates 24/7, you need a commercial plumbing expert.